So, I think I opened up a restaurant by accident that's run by Roblox or work. I do not know. But let's hop in, I guess. Okay.
We'll start by making some breakfast. Turn on the grill and let's get frying.
Okay.
Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio.
You're right. Bacon and eggs. But my main goal is cereal. So I got the eggs. Oh, bacon's up here. Okay.
Now put your creations on the plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant.
Half-eaten eggs for the beloved person. Okay. Gotta close this. Gotta keep my area clean. Well,
The smoothie is one of the most efficient forms of human food. Simply take some of your inefficient solid food and put it through the blender.
That's grill. Pot. Blender. I can put whatever I want in there? Okay. Menu. Gourmet menu. Gourmet grill. Grub. So, apparently we're working at Gourmet Grub. So we need some grape juice. Totally grape juice. No, not any alcoholic beverage or anything, you know.
Looks
I'm
good.
done.
Pour it out into a cup and then we can serve it.
I'm not. What? Where is it? Oh. When I say I'm not done, I'm not done. Okay, no. Oh, there's the menu right there. Carrots. We gotta get that protein in. Not cold. Okay. Cake book and book. Okay. Bread. Screw it. Bread. What is that called? Oh, it's the non-cold ingredients. Okay. Cookies for the diabetes. Go in there. Cherry for the flavor. No, olive oil. For the yeah. And what fruit? There's gotta be orange. Okay. Now do we crank this? Okay, yeah, I guess we do. Oh. Okay, so a cup. Where's the cup? Oh, there. Do we serve anything but mugs? Because we want to be an authentic restaurant, like, McDonald's, or you know, we want to be cheap, not rich. Where's the kitchen grub cup? There's no Christmas mug. Is that what we do? Is that mugs? Oh. Nope. There's the cup. No. I want to taste. Okay. You can have this one. No, let me finish filming it for you. You can have this. Okay. Well, it disappeared. Au revoir. Hey. They left our bacon and eggs.
Hello, human. Might I trouble you for some tea and crumpets?
Tea and crumpets.
Tea is a traditional human beverage consisting of heated water and flavor. Let's begin with heating some water using a kettle.
What's a kettle? I'm sorry, but I'm not British, so what's a kettle? Okay, it's hot. Now it's not. Kettle. So that's what kettle looks like. Here. Hot water, so sink. Okay. We want some water. So what's wrong? So we put it on the wheel. Okay.
Like most beverages, tea is best optimized for consumption by being placed in a cup.
So we put the tea bag in here. Grab the hot water and just pour.
Similar to tea, crumpets also require heat.
Okay. Here, I already did that when I was doing the what do we call it, smoothie. So, crumpets. What does a crumpet look like? Oh, I thought this was tortilla toaster.
To cook flat items, humans use devices called toaster.
So we need two of these. Well, first of all, I'm going to put this on the plate because so close. Toaster. Okay. Here we go. What's next?
Let's try making some soup. As you can see, there are several different kinds we could make, but they all start with putting some water in the pot.
Soup. Water. Sink. For water. Cup. don't use a kettle for this.
Great. Now fill it up with whatever kind of ingredients you want.
Okay. So, whatever ingredients I want. Gotta get that.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Gotta get that, grape juice. Yes. They will be drunk for days. No, so. I mean, they will taste the grape flavor for days. Okay, so. Add corn. I'm being generic today. Add a flour. I'm adding. No, I might as well add a cookie. And 2 pieces of bread. Give that. Why does it look like popcorn is coming out? Are we making popcorn out of this? Okay. Corn, flour, and cookie soup. Can't forget that grape juice that's flavor in there. The authentic grape juice flavor.
Just like Mombot used to make.
I know. Especially that grape juice. Why do I represent the grape juice? No.
Next, create a vertical arrangement of organic elements. Humans refer to this as a sandwich.
A sandwich. That I can easily do. Since, you know. That I can easily do. Okay. Bread. Bread. Because I like 2 pieces of bread on mine. Should I add? Cool. Is that a burrito or a Hot Pocket? It's a Hot Pocket. Why not have a cool Hot Pocket? That's disgusting. Here we go. That was hot. Okay. A meatball. A tiny little ball of meat. Oh my god. Okay. No, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna make sure this has diabetes by putting milk on it. Well, not diabetes, God. I'm such a good cook. Yep. Then we must put the 2 extra pieces of bread on. Then cool power. You can taste the diabetes.
I'm trying to cut down on gluten, but that looks pretty sandwich.
Because it is pretty sandwich. Now we heat it all. Can I eat this? Better be lucky. So who's the lucky person? Oh yeah, that guy. Okay.
Yes, bonjour. Today I've brought you a very rare steak. It is a 1984 vintage, eh? I wish to have it prepared.
Prepared. You want that prepared? Okay, it will be up.
Please, human, do continue. I do wish for it to be well done.
Go sit down.
Ah, yes, quite well done. Now, if you would be so kind as to pair it with your finest vintage grape juice.
Ah yes. The grape juice. Okay.
Très bien, très bien. Please have it delivered out to the restaurant at once.
Whoa, wait a second. Before you plate that, did you realize that was famed meat aficionado Meatbot? We better make sure our service is exceptional. Better slip this on the plate, too.
Okay, I'm just joking. Order up. Okay, now what's next? Oh, I made it in the tank.
Hello, it's my little Timmy Bot's birthday. Can we get some pizza for the kids?
Pizza is generally defined as a combination of bread, tomato, and cheese. Chefs would put their own twist on the dish, adding additional food items known as toppings. Let's begin by blending up some homemade tomato sauce.
Homemade.
Delicious! Now apply sauce to bread. We are almost there. Combining the bread with some cheese in the microwave should fulfill all material requirements.
Cheese. And, you know what? We're adding bacon. Okay. Now trust. Humans used to eat this all the time. It's delicious. Especially when it's breakfast.
That looks like enough to supply the festivities. Send them off to the dining room.
Why does that look so good? Pizza bits. Okay.
I forgot to mention, little Timmy is deadly allergic to tomatoes. Could you make a special slice? What do you want instead of sauce on your pizza, Timmy?
I want sauce! That sauce! Make me applesauce!
All right. The human will make you some applesauce. Go sit down now.
Do we even have apples? No, I don't think we have apples. Apple. Oh. So this must be an apple. You know what they say, apple days, it's Dr. Win. One bread.
Oh, one more thing. Timmy is also allergic to warmth. Could you just serve the ingredients raw?
Now, how can you be allergic to warmth? Nah. Next thing you say is lactose intolerant.
Thank you.
No problem, madam, no problem. We gave him that special
Eat up,
juice.
Timmy. The human made it special for you.
Yeah, it's very special.
Just how I like it.
You didn't even eat it yet. Some people won't enjoy good food.
Hey, human. Can you help me out here? I'm trying to propose to my romantic partner. I want it to be a surprise. Can you hide this ring inside a sandwich or something?
Sure. So, do you want the Mac Special? I will give you the Mac Special. Okay. I will hide this ring in the Mac Special. Sandwich. Get that out of here. Okay.
Oh, that's great. One more thing, though. I wanted to have some romantic music playing while I do it, but I forgot to burn this disc. Could you burn it for me?
To show affection for one another, humans of the past would
Excuse me,
burn
but you always drop the
music onto
specialty.
primitive storage devices called discs. The details of the burning procedure have largely been lost to history, but it must have had something to do with heat.
Okay. Oh, a toaster. So we're supposed to toast a disc. Okay, okay. No. Humans never toasted a disc before, but yep.
Oh, that'll be perfect. Thank you so much. Make sure you load the disc into the boombox and hit play before you send out that sandwich. I'll take care of things from there.
Okay. Is this Max? No, no one can get him a notch.
What's this, my dear? My sandwich feels much heavier than usual.
Huh, that's interesting. I wonder if there's something different inside?
What do you mean? What's this?
My sweet,
Emotion.
will you
Enter a legally binding partnership.
with me?
Oh, of course! I'm the happiest spot in the world.
Oh, wow! The answer was affirmative! The answer was affirmative!
And he leaves before I got to tell him something. Ah! Hello guys, sorry for interrupting today's video, which is, I'm so sorry, but I have a major announcement. Of course, I hope you enjoy the new way I'm doing these videos. Of course, you don't get to see me in the intro, you get to see me during the announcements and or subscribing. But of course, please, our goal is 50 subscribers. Can we hit that goal by the end of the month? Let's find out. Because if we can, I don't know what I'm going to do. But if we can't, I don't know what we're going to do. But please, like and subscribe so we can naturally reach that goal. Of course, let's go back to today's video. Shut up. Oh, I made it in. Nice.
Well, the kids are all finished with their pizza and now they're ready for cake. We do get a free birthday cake, right?
Can't argue with that. Human-run restaurants were morally obligated to provide free cake on children's birthdays. Good thing we have a microwave that can quickly mutate ingredients into food.
Wait, mutate? Wait, hold on. So that means if I... Oh, man. I thought I said mutating. Okay, microwave. Egg. So a flower, where's the flower? I'm not picking that. Can I pick the flower? Oh yeah, I can. No. It's coming right here. Flower and house. Maybe some Hot Pocket. Okay. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. Beep. Bop. Boop. Oh. Mucus. We made a we made Ditto. Apparently. You keep the grape juice over here. No. God darn it. So now, we're ready for the next.
Okay, kids, let's get going.
Boom. Made it in.
Hey boss, that party left a huge pile of dirty dishes. We're gonna need your help to get through these. They're pretty nasty, so make sure you use a good squirt of soap.
Fine. All four? Really? Okay. I know how to do the dishes. Look, you got nothing to worry about. There you go, sir.
Great.
Cleaned it.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. Now, bring them up.
You there! I need your help.
Okay.
The health inspector's on his way over, and I don't think we're gonna pass inspection. You need to clean this place up and make it safe and sanitary. You can start by destroying all this old fruit.
No! No! Not the grape juice. Not the grape juice. No! This is... No! 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 Okay, we gotta destroy this. I'm still upset by destroy these.
Okay, that's one thing taken care of. How about those sprinklers? See that little thing up on the ceiling? Try chucking something at it. See what happens.
What thing? Where? Oh.
I guess it's not working. Oh well, what are the chances of there being a fire in here anyway?
Yeah.
Now we need to deal with any potential insect problems. Look around and see if you can find anything.
Hey there, buddies. I'm just gonna... Oh my god.
Yikes, that's not good. You need to do something about these guys. Get rid of them quick.
Okay. I know a plan. That's not what I meant to do. Oh. Put that back. Empty ends. Mr. Matt Farback here is gonna... No, I'm gonna let that one chill. That one's chill. That one's barking. No, I know. 1, 2, 3. So we just need 2 more. Big whoops. Okay. Clearing this. Okay.
Well, I guess that'll have to do. Here comes the health inspector.
Okay, everybody stop what you're doing. It's inspection time. Yes. Interesting. That's questionable.
Excuse me.
Alright then, I'll just tally these results. And it looks like you've passed this
Thank you.
time.
Jerry, don't worry. I know how to keep you alive.
Phew, that was a close one. But now we can get back to business.
Okay.
Hey, Chef! There's a bot here to film an episode of some TV show with you? Well, they say it was already booked ahead of time, so... Well, just do whatever they say.
Okay.
Hey, human! I'm TV Bot. We're doing a show on how these organic nutrient packs are made. So I just need to record some footage of you going through the various steps, okay? First step is to blend up this protein pill. Let's get a shot of you doing that. Hey, okay! Great, that was good. Now let's get a shot of you putting this flavor packet in the microwave.
In the microwave.
All right, it's in there. Close the door and let me get a shot of the microwave running. All right, everybody's following along at home. We got our fully expanded flavor cube. Can you just show that to the camera? Beautiful! Now just pour that blended protein fluid onto the cube and we are done! Hey,
Okay.
great job, human! Really appreciate it. Oh, one more thing. Can I get a shot of you eating it? Just act like it's real delicious, alright? Hey, thank you so much, human. This is some great footage. This episode's gonna be fantastic!
The things I do for TV. The things I do for YouTube. The things I do for everyone. Go in.
Hey, human, check this out. I found this rare Turbo Ghost Death Nova pepper. Can you prepare it for me? I like it H-O-T. How? Come on, put some heat into it. Come on, that's not hot enough. Can't you do something else? Yeah, I guess that'll have to do. Give it here.
Okay. Jerry.
Hey, Chef, we got 3 bots out here who ordered the special. Not sure what that means, but that's what they want.
Ordering the special means placing your trust in the chef. Just give those bots anything. Be creative.
You know what will go well with the special? The Mac special.
One.
Is this some kind of avant-garde meal?
They wanted something special, and they certainly got it. Nice cooking, human.
Thank you.
Holy smokes, this is way too hot.
Oh,
Oh.
sounds like the guy with the hot pepper from earlier.
He's on fire.
Hey, chef, help a bot out here. Come on.
That won't do. That won't do.
Woo! Thanks, human. You really saved my circuits.
Great, now that's another grape juice broken. Thanks a lot.
I just got word from the TV studio, human. They liked your performance on that commercial you did, so they're sending in a camera crew. They're gonna put you in a reality show.
In the distant past, having your own reality show was seen as the peak
Go.
of human achievement.
Let's
Good work,
go.
human.
I get my own reality show.
Okay, bots, let's get those cameras set up already.
Ready to go, boss.
You ready, human? Okay, bring in the talent.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, human. I'm Chef Bot Ramshead. Let's get this ball rolling, shall we?
Okay, we'll start with the meatball scene. And action.
What are you waiting for, human? Get cooking! These meatballs all going to prepare themselves. Is that how you cook for your family at home, human? Disgusting. Ugh, those look so bad. My neural network associates them with literal garbage. So are you going to serve them or just let them sit there and get even more disgusting?
Bot Ramsey, shut your bloody mouth. There you go.
Despicable. My kids could cook a meal 100 times better than that, and they're graphing calculators.
Cut!
No.
That was good.
Well, great so far, human. I know I could be a little loud on camera, but it's all just part of the show, you know?
Alright, scene 2. That's the free-form cooking part. And action.
You worthless, chemical-based meatbag. Get to cooking. Make something good. Show us what you can do, if anything. That's so overdone it could be a meme. You about finished yet? Hurry up, serve it.
Hold on. Twerk.
What are you doing? It's not free, you know. That's what you call a meal.
Cut! That's a wrap, folks.
Great performance, human. I've got a lot of respect for you after this. Hope to work together again sometime. Farewell.
Thank you. You too.
Well, you know how to get back to the museum if you want to. I'll just be hanging out here while you do whatever you want.
Well, whatever I want is, I want to try the Mac special. Now, Jerry? Remember this. You know, guys, I want you to see it, Jerry. Oh. What? I can't eat it. Come on, Jerry. Here you go, you can have it. Yes, for you, Doodle.